Hi everyone, my name is Alessia Cavazos and I am a library specialist in community and outreach here at UTA Libraries. Welcome to this presentation on developing a search strategy and getting help. This is part one of a three-part series on doing research for a 1302 English course. Your first step when getting ready to research for a paper is to develop your search strategy. Once you've identified what topic you're interested in researching, ask yourself what question you are trying to answer about that topic. Identify keywords and synonyms that you can use to help expand your search criteria when using the databases, and make sure to pay close attention to your assignment prompt. You may have specific criteria for what kind of sources you need, or how your paper needs to be formatted. Taking notes on these things can help you prepare your research to be as successful as possible. When you are planning your paper and conducting your research, remember that finding and reading sources from multiple perspectives on the issue is not only required, but helpful. Understanding the different points of view on your topic will allow you to better engage with the argument and will allow you to defend your position from potential naysayers. Knowing the history of your topic is also important, as there may be key points of development that you will need to know in order to properly argue your point. These strategies are meant to help you understand how to develop an argument for all your future papers, so take time engaging with the material. Take time to organize your thoughts. Printing out your sources, highlighting key points, and keeping a log of important quotes and mapping out your ideas is a helpful way to help you organize your paper. Take this example of developing a mind map on the history of antibiotics. As you can see, in the first page, the student has written out different topics that they are interested in engaging or have found important when conducting their research. In the second page, they have taken time to create connections between the ideas, breaking down all of those different topics into categories. In the third page, they have organized those previous categories and created a coherent line of thought. This can be a great way to help break up and plan a paper into sections so that your paper has focus and flow. Remember to always plan ahead. If you think you might need more help with research or writing your paper, always contact a librarian, tutor, writing coach, or research coach ahead of time to schedule an appointment. In the next few slides, we will be going over how to contact a subject librarian. They will be able to help guide you towards the correct resources to help you succeed. And remember, there is a subject librarian for any class you're taking. The first step is to go to our library's webpage, libraries.uta.edu. From here, you will notice there is a top bar with a variety of topics that you might find helpful, including research, services, collections, locations, news and events, and the About page. The topic that we will be clicking on is research. Use your mouse to hover over research, which I have circled here in orange. A drop-down menu will then pop up. From here, you will see another variety of topics. You might notice that you can find helpful links here to scheduling an appointment with a research coach, a link to the chat helpline, and more. But for now, we will be clicking on Librarians by Academic Subject, which is under the By Academic Subject subheader. I have pointed to the link you will be clicking on with an orange arrow. Your next step is to click on the drop-down menu, which is listed under the Academic Subject header. I have pointed to the drop-down menu with an orange arrow here. From here, scroll through the academic subjects. As you can see, there is a subject librarian that can help you in any class you're taking. Having problems in chemistry? Need help in theater? Struggling in your second language course? There will be a subject librarian who can help. But for now, let's scroll down to English and click there. I have pointed to English with an orange arrow. As you can see, our subject librarian for English has popped up. Librarians wear many hats, as does our subject librarian, Diane. Some librarians are the contact point for a variety of subjects, so in the future, you may want to contact her again. But for now, let's click on her name so that we can see more about how to contact her. From this page, you will be able to see her email address, which is listed under contact information, her office number, her office hours, and the other academic subjects she can help with. Subject librarians are happy to schedule virtual or in-person appointments with you, but remember to contact them well ahead of time so that they can offer the best help possible. Thank you for engaging with this presentation. In the next presentation, we will be covering how to use the search bar on the UTA Libraries main homepage and strategies you can use to help narrow down your search results, as well as how to generate a citation. See you there!